Service Mandi. An application connects you with Ashok Leyland trained and qualified mechanics wherever your vehicle is. The application is so simple that even your driver can use it. All he has to do is open the application and raise a request. Check all the jobs that are required for the vehicle. You'll then be presented with a list of Ashok Leyland trained mechanics who have been rated by us based on their infrastructure, skill level and customer feedback. Select from among them and review the prices which are standardized based on the job and rating of the mechanic. It's that simple, and your approved mechanic will be on his way to your vehicle. Upon vehicle inspection, the mechanic can add additional jobs as required. You can view his cost estimate and approve the job. Get live status updates of your vehicle repair directly on your mobile. Once done, pay digitally on the pre-agreed rate, all from the comfort of your home. Ashok Leyland, आपकी जीत हमारी जीत।